In this video, we're going to see a comparison between Janitor AI versus Character AI versus Poly AI. Janitor AI is a customizable AI chatbot platform that supports roleplay, custom service, and even not safe for work content via API integration. It has highly flexible and personality design, supports not safe for work, no-code, bot builder, and API support. It's best for advanced roleplay, customizable AI characters, and self-hosted integrations. Now let's move on to Character AI. It's a popular AI chat platform focused on character-driven, it's safe, and creative conversation. No API or not safe for work content allowed. It has engaging lifelike conversations quality, massive library of public characters, easy to use, no setup required, and web and mobile app available. It's best for creative roleplay, storytelling, and casual AI chat without technical hassle. And finally, Poly AI. It's an enterprise-grade conversational AI focused on real-world customer service, not entertainment or roleplay. High-quality voice interactions designed for customer support at scale, natural sounding voice AI, and multi-language and industry-specific solutions. It's best for businesses needing advanced AI voice agents for customer service or call centers. So choose Janitor AI for versatility, Character AI for easy storytelling, and Poly AI for the serious business automation. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.